It's a presentation video for the 42-inch custom panel Sub-Zero built-in refrigerator freezer. This unit features indoor water and ice, as well as an ice maker on the interior. These panels can be used or they can be swapped out for a custom designed panel of your choice. We do ship worldwide. You're more than welcome to call us at 480-834-1111 with any questions. This is going to be the freezer side. There's your ice bin here. This is removable to allow access to the ice. Model serial number. This unit was manufactured in 2000. Comes with a 2-month warranty nationwide. Refrigerator side. It's a model 680 with digital controls. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being brand new out of the box, in my opinion, I'd rate this item as a 9.